Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm drawing a sketch. At first I'm drawing the shape of the face. Sorry for the lighting. Actually my lighting sometimes is really bad and sometimes it's really good. So actually I'm sorry about my lighting. It will be fine after some time. If you love my video, then please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment and share. And if you want, then you can also visit my Instagram for more art. At first I'm drawing just the shape of the face and the head and hairs. This image is inspired by Harry Potter, but it's not looking like it's not looking like Harry Potter, but it's looking like kinda Harry Potter. So I used Harry Potter's picture for this, but it didn't came out well, but still I tried it. That's why I'm uploading this video. It's really hard to draw the hands, but if you practice it well, then you will get it. In case of art, you just need to practice a lot. You should not give up on the first level. You should keep trying. When you will be like see those professionals who are professional right now as artists, just look at them. They are so good with their art, but think about it. When they were beginner, they were the same as you were. So if you are a beginner, if you are watching it, then it's totally fine. Just try to practice and try to draw it. Don't scared about that it won't look good or something like that. Just need to keep practicing everything, because where I am now, though I'm not that good, but still I'm trying. Wherever I am now, it's all because when I was starting this sketch thing, I was really bad. Though I knew how to draw because I have learned it when I was a kid, but still sketch is a different thing. But when I started as really bad, I didn't know how to do what. I couldn't draw even a face properly. But now I can do so much better than that time, and I am happy for that. And it's almost more than 1 year right now that I have started drawing and sketches, and I am happy that I started it. So I want to tell you that if you want, then you should start it too, because you won't be perfect at the first practice. Of course not. Of course, yes, you can't be the perfect at the first place, but when you practice it again and again, you will be able to draw anything that you want. And you should have the confidence that yes, I can do it. At least give it a try. When I was starting it fast, I was like, I won't be able to do it, but I tried that. Let's give it a try, let's see how it goes. And I am happy that I started it, and now I'm continuing it, and I'm so happy for this, that I am able to sketch now. Please motivate yourself by yourself, because I'm a self-learner about sketch. I'm teaching myself how to do sketching and everything, and how to do portrait, how to do kinda realistic portraits. I'm teaching myself this. So you have to self-motivated person. You have to be the one who will motivate you, because not everyone have someone with them who can teach them, who can motivate them. So you have to be the one who can teach yourself, who can motivate yourself. So don't worry about that. Oh, I don't have any motivations, I don't have any motivator, so I won't do it. It's not like that. Just keep calm, keep trust on yourself, and do it and start it. You will be able to do it. And please, whatever you draw, and try to be confident about it. You'll be good someday, and don't worry about that. You will be able to draw whatever you want. Just you need to have trust on yourself and be confident about your art. If you are a beginner, then you are a little bit kinda confused that from where you should start. At first you should start from anywhere you want, but don't do hard things. Try to do easy things like drawing lips, eyebrows, noses, eyes, face shapes, then other things. And try to watch videos on YouTube that how to sketch or how to draw. It will help you a lot, because YouTube helped me a lot to sketch. I have learned sketch from YouTube. So I recommend you to learn it from there. You don't need to the best equipment in this world. You can use whatever you have. You can use just a normal pencil. You can try to blend it with just a cotton bar or tissue, anything that you have. You don't need to have the best thing, best paper, best pencil. You just need to have your confidence. Now I'm outlining with a gel pen. It's not a must thing, like you don't have to do it, but if you want, then you can do the outlines with the pen. If you want, then you can do this. I just tried it how it looks, that's why I'm doing it. If you want, then you can skip this part. If you don't have gel pen, or you don't want to draw outlines like this, if you want, then you can skip this part. It's not most needed thing. Now I'm using a white fluid to highlight eyes, glasses and lips. It's an easy way to highlight. if you don't have the white gel pen, you can also erase this part to highlight, but it will be better if you use white cloth. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.